Okay, hey everybody. This is going to be the last episode of this section, because one, it's going to be the last episode of the headstock assembly. It's going to be putting in the tuners, you know. And for anybody wondering, I was gonna paint this, but I changed my mind. Okay, well, that's that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Put your comments in the comment section down below. Email me at linesmosstv@gmail.com if you have any questions. And let me just show you. I mean, we got the headstock is basically it. One of the headstock's done. You know, if you, I might have rechanged my mind, but. So if you see all this stuff on here without with paint on it, guess what? I decided to redo it, and well, I already cut this video, so yeah. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, put your comments in the comments down below. Email me at linesmosstv@gmail.com. Hit me up on Facebook. Don't forget, every Wednesday night I go live on Linesmos TV and Friends, and I will see y'all later. Bye.